transfer WhatsApp media to PC? Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can transfer your WhatsApp media to PC. So if you want to transfer the WhatsApp media to your PC, you have to follow this simple step. So transferring the WhatsApp medias, which include photos, videos, or voice messages, etc., from your smartphone to your PC is a quite straightforward. First of all, you have to launch your WhatsApp on your device. Once you have launched your WhatsApp here, you have to navigate to the setting which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to tap on the link devices. And here you can see that you can use WhatsApp on other devices. Just go for the link devices option. And after that, just tap on the OK option and you have to open the website in your so you have to open the WhatsApp in your PC. Once the WhatsApp is open, you can scan the QR code and successfully link your WhatsApp to your PC. So which will include the images, videos, photos, and document. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily share or transfer the media from your mobile to the WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.